welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Selaulim Canal at Bogmaddi Cacora burst. Fields of farmers destroyed. South Goa to face irrigation water shortage for few days. Repair work on. Farmers demand compensation. High Court takes suo motu cognizance against Nuve MLA Mapsa Pasheko in junior engineer assault case. High Court issues notice to Miki and state governments seeking reply within a week on Pasheko's issue. Younger sister murders elder sister at Mapsa. Younger one attempts suicide after murder. Mapsa police register murder case. Reason behind murder not known. Advocate Satish Sonak charges that amendments in the Lokayukta is brainchild of collusion between BJP and Congress. Claims politicians in the state are united over making Lokayukta ineffective. And DGP interacts with school authorities, attempts to curb crimes inflicted on students, emphasizes on the sensitization and coordination of all the major stakeholders. And now the news in detail. Selaulim Canal at Bogmaddi Cacora burst on Wednesday night. Local farmers panicked as the canal bridge stretched to almost 30 meters wide by Thursday morning. This has destroyed the fields in and around Cacora. The repair work of the canal is in progress. However, South Goa will face irrigation water shortage for another almost 4 to 5 days. Farmers have demanded compensation from the government. The canal had a breach of 3 meters which diverted the irrigation water from the canal to nearby fields. The canal breach under a heavy pressure of water flow stretched by morning to almost 30 meters wide. The water from the canal carried along mud which entered the fields and damaged the crops.
अकस्मात काल राती 9:30 सुमार वो कॅनल 3 मीटर कोलॅप्स जालो. सकाळच्यान चोय जाल्यार 3 मीटर आशिल्लें तें 30 मीटर जालें आनी हे कॅनल चल फुटोन सगळे आमगे शेतकारांक सगळे भरपूर लुकसाण जाली. ही सरकारान कितें तरी हेची लुकसाणी आमगे शेतकारांक दिवची ही आमची मागणी.
However, the WRD engineer says the restoration work might take another 4 to 5 days. Till then, South Goa Taluka would face a irrigation water shortage.
Main canal machi 11.1 bridge jale. Now whatever debris we are cleaning, night we'll put rubble packing, then PCC galon. Within 4-5 days we are planning to give water.
Regular water supply.
Yes.
Okay. At kitli damage zala sir?
Around 60 meters damage zala.
30 meter?
60 meter.
60 meter कॅनलाक डॅमेज हा.
हाँ.
सन कितले उदक कितले व्हावून शेतान बी गेला आसतले?
At that time discharge was 8 cubic meter per second. 8 cubic meter.
8 cubic meter.
Yeah.
Okay. So आता अल्टरनेट अरेंजमेंट कितें करपाचें आहा म्हणजे
आम्ही एस्केप सगळं ओपन केलं. रेड्यूस वॉटर लेवल नाव फ्लो हॅज बीन रेड्यूस्ड. Alternate way now. That's why we are taking on priority basis.
Okay. So 4-5 दिवस उदक बनूच उरतले थंय.
Yeah, 4-5 दिवस बंद उरतले.
Local MLA Nilesh Cabral inspected the area and fields at Bogmaddi Cacora.
आता ती कॅनलाचेर फाटले 15-20 वर्सां पयलीं एक सायडीन कॅनलाचेर झाडां रोयिल्लीं आशिल्लीं आनी ते आकाशा ट्री इतले फालतू ट्री की ते आकाशा ट्री ते कॅनलाचेर रोयिल्ले ती पाडां वचून ती डॅमेज केले कॅनल आनी पाडां फुटोवन तो डॅमेज जाल्लो कॅनलान ते इले उदक पकलेट जालें पाडांतल्यान आनी ते पाडांतल्यान उदक पकलेट जावन तो कॅनल फुटलो.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent. The High Court has taken a suo motu cognizance of the matter regarding release of Nuve MLA Mapsa Pasheko on probation in Electricity Department Junior Engineer Assault case. South Goa Additional Sessions Court in its judgment had convicted Mapsa for assaulting but had ordered his release under Probation of Offenders Act. The High Court has issued notice to Mapsa Pacheco and the state government seeking reply within a week.
The High Court on Thursday took suo motu cognizance of Mickey's release, although he was convicted for an offence of assault on public officer. Nuve MLA Mapsa Pacheco was released on probation in Electricity Department Junior Engineer Kapil Nadekar assault case. The High Court also issued notice to Mapsa Pacheco and the state government and directed them to file their replies in 1 week. In a judgment dated 13 December, South Goa Additional Sessions Judge Vijaya Pearl had convicted Mickey for assaulting Kapil Nadekar, but ordered to release him on admonition under the Probation of Offenders Act. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's shocking. Younger sister murdered her elder sister at Kolli Mapsa on Thursday. After killing elder sister, the younger one attempted suicide. She is admitted in district hospital at Mapsa, whereas body of the elder sister has been sent for post-mortem at GMC. Motive behind the crime is not yet known.
Anar Saukar, aged 54, was found dead at her residence at Kolli Mapsa on Thursday. Sources say that her younger sister Darshan Saukar killed her sister and attempted suicide by jumping in a well. The body of Anar was found in a toilet at the house. There are injury marks on her face. The body of deceased Anar has been sent for post-mortem at GMC, whereas younger sister has been shifted to district hospital. Mapsa police reached at the site and carried out Panchanama. They have registered a murder case.
Anar Saukar हेच्या डेथ केसीन आम्ही केस रजिस्टर केल्या. डेड बॉडी पोस्टमॉर्टमा खातीर धाडलेली आसा आनी फुडलो तपास ह्या कंप्लेनीन भितर चालू आसा.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.